Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Matre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhinder East. Today's topic is CND chapter number 2, Network Models part 4. The learning course outcomes are OSI model. In this we will learn about the introduction of OSI model, architecture of OSI model, example of OSI model and example protocol of OSI model. Layers of OSI model. First layer, physical layer, introduction and functions. Introduction of OSI model. The Open System Interconnection OSI. The full form of OSI is Open System Interconnection Model. Is a reference model developed by the ISO, International Organization for Standardization, in 1984. OSI model logically groups the functions and set a rules called protocols. It is necessary to establish and conduct communication between the two or more parties. The model consists of 7 functions, often referred to as OSI reference model. Is a logical framework for standards for the network communication protocol are based on the standard OSI model. OSI defines the standards by which a computer can communication together. The OSI is simply a set of protocols which govern the various aspects of networking. The reference model defined by OSI is also an excellent model to understand how the network works. In the OSI model, the network data communication is defined into 7 layers. Each layer of the OSI model provides the service for the next higher layer, and each layer communicated logically with its associated layers on the other computer. The layer boundaries should be chosen to minimize the information how the creates the interfaces. In the OSI model, the packets are sent from the one layer to another in the order of the layer from top to bottom on the sending computers and then receivers order to receiving computer. Each layer of the OSI model perform the unique generic as well as function defined. Here's the diagram show the OSI model. First layer of the OSI model, that is the bottom layer of the OSI model, is physical layer. Then second layer is the data link layer. Third layer is a network layer. Fourth layer is a transport layer. Fifth layer is a session layer. Sixth layer is the presentation layer. And the seventh layer is the application layer. So the users of computer network are located over a wide physical range, that is all over the world. So the OSI model is an open system interconnection which have the 7 layer architecture of the ISO OSI reference model. The TCP/IP protocol should have a 5 layers and the OSI reference model have a 7 layers. So it defines the 7 levels or the 7 layers in a complete communication system. And the lowest layer is the physical layer and the highest layer is the application layer. This model is based on a proposal developed by the International Standard Organization, that is ISO. So it is called as the ISO OSI reference model because it is designed to deal with an open system, that is system which are open for the communication with other system. Data format of the layer. The first layer, physical layer, the data in the physical layer is in the form of the bits, or data can be media, signal or the binary transmission. Second layer is the data link. The data link layer, in this layer the data is in the form of the frames. So the bits are converted into the frames, and the frames can be a MAC, LLC are the physical address. Third layer is the network layer, which is the path determination and the IP address. So the frames are converted into the packets are in the network layer. Fourth layer is a transport layer. There is a end-to-end connection and the reliability. The packets are again converted into the segments. Session layer, interhost communication. The segments are in the form of the data. Then presentation layer, the data is in the form of the data. So data representation and the encryption. And the fifth layer is the application network processes to the applications. So here are the first three layers, that is first three bottom layers are the media layer and the upper four layer are the host layer. Example of data link OSI model. Here the diagram show the communication between the host A and host B. Here a host A send a message in from top to bottom and receiver host B receiver the message from bottom to top. So when the sender sends a message in a application format, so application layer sends a message to the presentation layer. Presentation layer encrypt the data, then encrypted message sent to the session layer. Then session layer check the message and then sends a message to the transport layer. Transport layer convert the data into the segment. Then transport layer sends a segment to the network layer. The network layer convert the segments into the packets. Then those packets are sent to the data link layer. Data link layer convert that packets into the frames, and that frames are sent to the physical layer. Then the physical layer collects the frame and convert the frames into the form of the bits, and that bits are transferred from the physical path to the receiver. So receiver receive bits in the form of bits at the physical layer. Then that bits are sent to the data link layer. So data link layer collect the bits and convert it into the frames. Then frames are sent to the network layer. Network layer collect the frames and convert it into the packets. Then those packets sent to the transport layer. Transport layer collect the packets and convert it into the segments. Then those segments sent to the session layer. Session layer collect the segments and convert it into the data format. Then those data is sent to the presentation layer. Presentation layer decrypt the data and send to the application layer. So here the data exchanging from the host A to host B is in the form of OSI model. The layer of the sequence layer at the receiver side is bottom to top, and at the sender side is top to bottom. So each layer is supposed to handle a message or data from layer which are immediately above or below it. So this is done by the protocol rules. So the layer takes the data from the adjacent layers and handles it according to the rules, and then passes the processed data to the next layer on the other side. Example of the protocol. The OSI model layer and the protocols. First layer is a physical layer. It has a Ethernet and USB, Bluetooth and IEEE 802.11, that is a wireless. Data link layer has the protocol is BBB point-to-point, ATM and the Ethernet. Network layer has a protocol IP, ARP, ICMP, IPsec, etc. Transport layer has a TCP and UDP protocol. Session layer has a NetBIOS and the PPTP protocol. Presentation layer has a SSL and TLS protocol. Application layer has a HTTP, FTP, DNS, SNMP and Telnet protocols. First layer of the OSI model is the physical layer. It is the lowest layer of the OSI model, that is is known as the layer 1 of the OSI model. It is referred as a physical layer that deals with the mechanical and electrical specification of the interface and the transmission medium. The functions of the application, the functions of the physical layer are data encoding. With the physical layer modifies the simple layer signal pattern, that is ones and zeros, used by the PC to better accommodate the characteristics of the physical medium and aid it bit and frame synchronization. Line configuration. It defines the way how two or more devices can come connected physically. Data transmission. It defines the transmission mode, whether it is simplex, half duplex or full duplex mode, between the two devices on the network. Signals. It determines the type of signal used for transferring the information. Bit synchronization. The physical layer provides a synchronization of the bits by providing a clock. This clock controls both sender and receiver, thus providing a synchronization at bit level. Transmission mode. The physical layer also defines the way in which the data flows between the two connected devices. The various transmission modes possible are simplex, half duplex and full duplex. Circuit switching. The physical layer also provides a circuit switching to interconnect different networks. Physical topologies. Physical network specifies the way in which a different devices or nodes are arranged in a network, that is bus, star or mesh topology. Bit rate control. The physical layer also defines the transmission rate, that is the number of bits sent per second. Multiplexing. The physical layer can use different techniques of multiplexing in order to improve the channel efficiency. Thank you.